So there are preparations that you make before you go to the underworld. The preparations are like this. You can have a sheep as well slaughtered, and then they take the intestine, the large intestine from the sheep. And then you get an egg from a chicken, a hen. Then you put inside the intestine, the large intestine. Then you tie it very well. Then you take a polythene paper. Thank God for the government banning the polythene papers. Maybe they knew what was happening with the polythene papers. You get the polythene paper, you wrap in the whole stuff, and then you put it in your briefcase. Before you put it in the briefcase, you have to spread perfume. It must smell well. Then you cover it well. So we said we are not going to use a plane. We are going to go by the road using our one of the bishop's car now. But then I don't know what happened. I felt in my heart, well, I will use my car. I will not use the bishop's car. Then I agreed with him that please let me use my car, because I also want to know the route to Mombasa well. I will be going there using road many times. So why can't you allow me to use my car? So he allowed me. So we left very early in the morning at around 3 a.m. to Mombasa. Then we arrived in Mombasa and we went to the hotel. Then he started explaining to us. We were around 10 of us, telling us the issue, what is happening in the underworld. And he was telling us that in the underworld, it is just a world, but it is a very good world. It's actually more beautiful than this world we are in. And it is underwater. Then he was telling us that in that world, we are going to meet people there also. People are there. We have got people who died. My friend, these stories, if you hear them, they look scary. There are people who die, but they have not actually died. They were transferred to the underworld. And some of the people who work with the Illuminati, with Freemason, and they die, they are transferred to the underworld. And they